Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of network scanning with Nmap. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these 5 commands are essential for your toolkit. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is like that Swiss Army knife of networking tools. It's incredibly versatile, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be surprised how often you find yourself turning to it. We're going to break down 5 Nmap commands that are not just powerful, but also super practical for everyday use. So fire up your terminal and let's get this Nmap party started. First up, we're starting with the most basic Nmap command. And you know what? Sometimes basic is best. This command is the foundation upon which more complex scans are built. This is your go-to for a quick and dirty scan of your target network. It's efficient, straightforward, and gets the job done without any fuss. Now, when I say basic, I don't mean it lacks punch. Even a simple scan can reveal a wealth of information about the devices connected to your network. This command will give you a solid overview of what's out there. You'll get a snapshot of the network landscape, which is crucial for any further analysis. To run a basic scan, all you need is the command nmap followed by the target IP address or host name. It's a simple yet powerful way to start your network exploration. It's as simple as that. Just type the command, hit enter, and let Nmap do its magic. Imagine you're at a tech conference, connected to the Wi-Fi, and you're curious about other devices on the network. This command is your friend. It can quickly show you who else is sharing the network with you. This command is your friend. It's like having a quick peek behind the curtain to see the other players in the room. When you hit enter, Nmap sends out packets to the target, essentially knocking on ports to see who answers. Each response helps build a clearer picture of the network. Think of it like those old-school sonar systems submarines use to map the ocean floor. Nmap is doing the same thing, but instead of the ocean floor, it's mapping your network. Nmap is doing the same thing, but instead of the ocean floor, it's mapping your network. It's a digital exploration tool that reveals the hidden structure of your network. The output you get back is straightforward. You'll see a list of open ports, the services running on those ports, and even the MAC address of the device. You'll see a list of open ports, the services running on those ports, and even the MAC address of the device. This detailed information is invaluable for network administrators and security professionals. This information is like a basic fingerprint of the target, giving you valuable insights into its network configuration. It's the first step in understanding the network's layout and potential vulnerabilities. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what can I actually do with this information? The possibilities are vast. Well, for starters, it helps you understand your own network better. Knowing what's connected and how it's configured is the foundation of good network management. You might be surprised to find devices you didn't even know were connected. This can help you identify unauthorized devices or potential security risks. Plus, if you're troubleshooting network issues, this basic scan can point you in the right direction. It can help you identify where problems might be originating. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, allowing you to see what's going on beneath the surface. With this insight, you can make informed decisions about network security and management. Alright, now that you've got the basics down, let's crank things up a notch. You've learned the fundamentals, but now it's time to dive deeper and uncover more layers of information. We're going to add a little something to our nmap command to get even more intel on our target. This additional step will provide us with a wealth of information that can be crucial for our analysis. This time, we're talking about version detection. It's a powerful feature that can reveal the specific software versions running on open ports. See, knowing a port is open is helpful, but knowing what software version is running on that port, that's next-level reconnaissance. It gives you a much clearer picture of the target system. It's like the difference between seeing a car in the distance and knowing the exact make, model, and year. The details matter, and they can make all the difference in your investigation. To do this, we'll use the flag along with our basic nmap command. This flag is a game changer, enabling Nmap to dig deeper and provide more detailed information. So it'll look something like this. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how straightforward and powerful it can be. The flag tells Nmap to go the extra mile and probe those open ports to figure out what software version is listening. It's like having an extra set of eyes that can see beyond the surface. Think of it as Nmap putting on its detective hat and doing some extra digging. It's all about uncovering those hidden details that can be crucial for your analysis. Why is this useful? Well, let's say you discover a web server running on a particular port. Knowing the exact software version can help you understand its capabilities and potential vulnerabilities. With version detection, you can find out if it's running an outdated version of Apache or Nginx, which could have known vulnerabilities. This information can be a goldmine for identifying potential security risks. This information is pure gold for security professionals, ethical hackers, or anyone serious about network security. It provides a roadmap for where to focus your efforts. It's like having a cheat sheet that tells you exactly where the weak points might be. This can save you a lot of time and effort in your security assessments. But it's not just about security. This information can also be invaluable for other purposes. Knowing the software versions can also help with troubleshooting compatibility issues, or even just satisfying your curiosity about what's running on a particular device. It's a versatile tool that can serve multiple purposes in your IT toolkit. Hold on tight because we're about to take Nmap to another level. This isn't just any level, it's a deep dive into the core of network reconnaissance. We're talking about OS detection, which is like giving Nmap the ability to see right through your target's disguise. Imagine peeling back the layers of an onion to reveal the core. You see, every operating system, whether it's Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or something more exotic, has its own network fingerprint. These fingerprints are unique patterns that can be identified with the right tools. It's like a unique way of communicating over the network. Each OS has its own dialect, its own way of saying hello and goodbye. Nmap is surprisingly good at analyzing these fingerprints and telling you exactly what operating system is running on the target machine. It's like having a seasoned detective who can identify a suspect just by their gait. It's like having a superpowered detective who can identify someone just by the way they walk. This detective doesn't need to see the face. The walk is enough. To unleash this power, we'll use the O flag with our Nmap command. So, it'll look like this. Nmap O. Target. Simple, right? Just a small addition to your command, but it opens up a world of information. Now, OS detection can be a bit tricky, and it's not always 100% accurate. There are variables and nuances that can affect the results. It depends on how much information the target is giving away and whether Nmap has enough data to make a confident guess. Sometimes, the target might be elusive, hiding its true nature. But when it works, it's like magic. The veil is lifted, and the true identity of the operating system is revealed. You'll get information about the operating system, the vendor, and even the version. This level of detail can be crucial for your analysis. It's like having X-ray vision that lets you see right through the network and into the heart of the machine. You can peer into the very soul of the system. This information is invaluable for security assessments, penetration testing, and even just understanding the network landscape. It provides a foundation for making informed decisions. It's like having a map that not only shows you the buildings, but also tells you who lives in each one. This map is your guide to navigating the complex world of network security. All right, folks, it's time to take the gloves off and unleash the full power of Nmap. We're talking about the aggressive scan, which is like sending in the A-team of network reconnaissance. With the aggressive scan, Nmap pulls out all the stops. It combines various scan types, including port scanning, version detection, and OS detection to give you the most comprehensive view of your target. To activate this beast, we'll use the flag along with our Nmap command. So, it'll look like this. Be warned, this command can be a bit noisy on the network, so use it wisely. The aggressive scan is like shining a spotlight on your target, revealing everything it's hiding. You'll get information about open ports, services running on those ports, software versions, operating system details, and even potential vulnerabilities. This is the command you want when you need to know everything about your target. It's like having a team of private investigators working around the clock to dig up every last detail. But with great power comes great responsibility. The aggressive scan can trigger security alerts or even cause performance issues on the target system if it's not used carefully. So, make sure you have permission before running this scan on any network. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to unlock the true potential of Nmap with script scanning. This is where Nmap transforms from a powerful tool into a full-blown network analysis platform. Nmap scripting engine, NSE, is like having a secret weapon in your arsenal. It allows you to automate a wide range of network tasks, from vulnerability detection to service enumeration and beyond. To activate this powerhouse, we'll use the flag along with our Nmap command. It'll look like this. This command tells Nmap to run its default set of scripts against the target. Now, these scripts are like mini programs that perform specific tasks. For example, there are scripts to detect web servers, identify vulnerabilities, grab banners, and even brute force credentials. The beauty of NSE is that it's incredibly versatile and constantly evolving. There's a vast library of pre-built scripts available, and you can even write your own custom scripts to automate your specific tasks. This is where Nmap truly shines as a tool for security professionals, penetration testers, and anyone serious about network analysis. It's like having a team of expert hackers at your disposal, ready to probe, analyze, and exploit any weaknesses they find. That's it for today's video. If you found these Nmap commands helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below with your favorite Nmap command or any questions you have. Remember, Nmap is a powerful tool, so always use it responsibly and ethically. Don't go scanning networks that you don't have permission to scan. See you in the next video.